Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X264XX. Only 9,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Satin Steel Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power Liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Rubber mat for rear as well as rear seat back, so when the seats are folded, everything can be kept clean. Seats can also be folded from the back, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.